because after skiing for a couple months, you can see the inside of the wheels is worn out more than the outside. So that's why you need to switch the wheels on the left foot to the right foot and the right foot to the left foot. So I'm going to just do that. And here is the tool that comes with that. Okay, so for now, I make sure I put them in a labeled bag, and I'm going to do all 8 of the wheels. And then the next step, I'm going to clean up a little bit, and then the third step is going to switch the positions after I clean up a little bit. The second step, I clean the wheels because I haven't skied after rain yet, so these wheels are kind of quite clean. So I would not take the bearing off to lubricate the bearing. I may do that next cleaning. The next thing is to clean inside the house of the shoes because I haven't skied after rain, so it's pretty clean. After cleaning, I will switch the wheels. I'll switch the wheels based on this picture 20. So the first one on this foot will be the third one on that foot. Second one will be the last one. Third one will be the first wheel on the other foot. Last one will be the second wheel on the other foot. This is the first one on the left shoe. I will have to put as the third one on the right shoe. Suppose I should put a drop of the blue removable thread lock. So, okay, that's a big drop there. First wheel on the left shoe, go to the third wheel on the right shoe and make sure the side that's less worn is the inside now. So now I'm down to the last one. The third one on the right shoe goes to the first position on the left shoe. And one drop of the thread lock thing. So now I'm done, and all the less worn side of the wheel is on the inside, and all of them are turning smoothly, so I can skate again.